All right, and this one is like that 200 sage sparrow that just went pending. This one is available in the same community in Redbird Ranch. So very nice front elevation. A little more open. This is nice. And it's got kind of a double entrance into the kitchen. You can go in from here. You've got a lot of nice counter space, perfect for kind of like a buffet style counter. You have all the food here in Thanksgiving. People can just serve themselves right up and get the turkey, the green beans, and then come sit at the dinner table. So really cool to have that entrance from here. And then you've got the island. Nice sized living area. Oh, and the cool thing about this one is the large covered patio here. And again, you've got 4 trees. Really nice. Really nice. All white cabinets, shaker style cabinets. I think, yeah, here you've got a little extra space under the stairs. Storage space. And here's a primary bedroom. I like that double vanity style here, and the tub on the other side. And just like the other one that we just saw, this one also has a tile in the tub backsplash like this here. Got a walk-in shower and walk-in closet. Oh, I don't think I pointed out the fact that there's a nice window there, giving a natural light into the bathroom. Oh, and here is the half bathroom. Very nice half bathroom. Right off the entrance. And yeah, as you're gonna go into the kitchen and living. And here you have the utility room, laundry room. It's actually pretty big in here. Going upstairs, and this of course is the 5-bedroom. So we're gonna have 4 bedrooms up here with the loft. And yeah, these are all gonna have pretty big. Like this one has huge closet space. Loft. Bedroom number 2. Serene. Oh my gosh, this one has even a window here. That's cool. Wow. Never thought you could have such a nice view from your closet. Bedroom 4. And bedroom number 5. All right, that was it for this one, and I'll send you the financing details in a bit.